Hey guys, this is Cool Toys for Kids. Today is day 20 of our Advent Calendar Holiday Surprises. And also today we're going to open our third limited edition Barbie Kinder Surprise. Well, let's go ahead and open our egg. Chocolates. Oh, we have a ring. They gave us 2 flyers. I don't think we need 2. Alright, I guess this is what we got, the one in the middle. And it has Barbie written onto the card. Let me put this together for you and we'll get a closer look. And here's our ring. It's just stunning. Open it like this. You can actually put your own personal photo if you like, and it's reversible, the card. It has a Barbie on the other side and she's playing a guitar and holding a microphone. She's a rock star. And then you just snap this one on top. Just like this. Next, it's our Playmobil Unicorn Fairyland number 20. Ooh, it's a fairy wings. Oh no, it's a bug. This is just so cute. Look how pretty is this. Let's see, there may be another piece in here. Oh, just that. The details are just so amazing. This is just beautiful. Set her down. Let's move on to our Despicable Me Minion made by Megabloks. Number 20. And here are the pieces. Lots of small pieces. And here we have the reindeer. I love the antlers. It is super cute. Alright, next up, our chocolate calendars. Star Wars, Hello Kitty, and Minnie, number 20. And here's Minnie Mouse image on this chocolate. So pretty. Hello Kitty. And a little duckling. Star Wars. R2-D2. And now it's Kinder time. Number 20. Ooh, it's Kinder Choco Bones. little chocolate bite with milky hazelnut in the center. Yum. Well guys, thanks for watching. This is Cool Toys for Kids, and I hope to see you tomorrow for our Day 21 Advent Calendar Holiday Surprises. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and have an awesome day.